Oh, that's actually trying. Hardcore parkour! You can't catch me! I'm like you said. And I dance. Oh! You can't catch me, loser. You can't catch me. Hoy, you can't catch me. You can't catch me. Fine, we will go. Woo! Sorry. Oh, your sights. No, it's absolutely booty cheeks. So yeah. Why is it flying bubbles? I just seen flying bubbles. I swear. Flying bubbles. How cold when they're for the flying bubbles go. I've had this sort of stuff for flying bubbles. That house right there. We will see bubbles any time now. I'll start recording again until I see the bubbles. Did you know? I'm gonna catch you all. But I swear to God, I saw something on the roof. Right. I don't know what, but I swear to God, I saw something. But probably nothing. Oh my. These two videos have been like an interview. That's it. Coronavirus. Do you know how weird it is to say that's me itself? That's you. Oh, that's me. I meant. That's so weird. That's gonna be all for this video.